Bread and egg recipes. Check out these 4 recipes. 1. The best French toast. Ingredients: 8 ounces, 8 slices of brioche bread, 4 large eggs, 3 tablespoons heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, pinch of salt, dash of cinnamon, optional. Instructions. Note: this egg mixture should comfortably batter 8 slices of brioche bread that are between half and 1 inch thick. It will batter 10 to 12 slices of French baguette or about 6 slices of challah. Slice bread and set it aside. In a deep and wide bowl, whisk together eggs, heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, sugar, and salt. Whisk until smooth, set aside. Preheat a large cooking pan oven medium to medium-low heat. Add a couple of tablespoons of canola oil and spread it evenly. Dip each slice of bread into the egg mixture as well as the edges. Brioche bread is nice and quick to soak up the egg. Just batter as many slices as will fit into the pan. If you have to cook in 2 or more batches, batter bread right before adding it to the pan. Place battered slices into the pan and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden brown. Repeat with remaining slices of bread if needed. Serve with your favorite topping. 2. Breakfast pull-apart bread. Prep time 15 minutes. Cook time 25 minutes. Total time 40 minutes. Ingredients: 7 slices bacon diced small, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 tube refrigerated Pillsbury Grands biscuits, 3 large eggs beaten, 1/3 cup shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 1/3 cup shredded Monterey Jack cheese, 2 scallions finely diced. Instructions. Cook bacon in a large skillet over medium-high heat until crispy, stirring occasionally about 5 minutes. Drain on a paper towel and set aside. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the butter in a nonstick bundt pan coated liberally with cooking spray and let it melt in the preheating oven. While the butter melts, cut the Grands biscuits into quarters. In a bowl, gently toss the biscuit pieces, cooked bacon, eggs, both cheeses, and scallions together. Once the butter has melted, give the bundt pan a little swirl so the bottom is evenly coated. Add the biscuit mixture to the pan, sprinkling with any cheese and bacon pieces that get left behind. Bake for 25 to 27 minutes or until golden. Run a dull knife around the edges of the pan to loosen. Turn out on a dish and enjoy. 3. Easy khachapuri recipe. Ingredients: 16 ounces pizza dough, 3/4 cup feta cheese, 1 cup ricotta cheese, 1½ cup shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 eggs plus 1 for egg wash, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, shredded bread optional. Instructions. Let the pizza dough proof for about 1 hour at room temperature. In a bowl, add 1½ cups shredded mozzarella cheese, 3/4 cup crumbled feta cheese, half a cup grated Parmesan, and 1 cup ricotta cheese. Then mix it all together. Place your pizza dough onto a floured surface and divide it in half. Now take one of those halves, shape it into a ball, and roll it out to about 9 inches in diameter. Then repeat this with the other half of the dough. Place both doughs onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and begin filling the center of each khachapuri with a cheese mixture. Now roll up the side of each khachapuri and twist the ends. We're going for a boat-like shape here. Cover the cheese boats with a kitchen towel and proof for about 30 minutes. Once the khachapuri is done proofing, remove the towel and brush the dough with egg wash. Bake the khachapuri at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then make a well in the center of each cheese boat, crack an egg on the middle, and add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter to each khachapuri. Bake for an additional 5 minutes and enjoy the khachapuri while it's warm. 4. Brunch bread. Ingredients. For bread, 2 cups Bisquick, half a cup sour cream, half a cup seltzer, 1/4 cup melted butter plus 1 tablespoon for brushing, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 5 sliced bacon cooked and crumbled, 1 teaspoon kosher salt. For the filling, 6 eggs, 1 tablespoon chopped chives, kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon lemon juice optional, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 cup grated cheddar. Directions. Preheat oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a glass loaf pan. In a large bowl, combine Bisquick, sour cream, seltzer, melted butter, maple syrup, bacon, and salt, and mix until combined. Set aside. In a large bowl, combine eggs and chives and season with salt and pepper. If using, add lemon juice. Whisk until yolks and whites are mixed. In a large skillet over medium-low heat, melt butter. Add eggs to skillet and cook, stirring frequently until they are slightly underdone. Remove from heat. Pour half of dough into greased loaf pan, spreading to the edges. Add a half cup cheese in an even layer, then all the scrambled eggs, and then another layer of remaining cheese. Top with remaining dough. Brush top with butter. Bake until slightly browned, 40 to 45 minutes. Let cool slightly in pan before slicing. Serve warm or at room temperature.